Hello guys, a new mining site. You will claim forever. Like you see this basic membership for ever. You will claim every 5 minutes coins that will be converted to USDT to dollars. Like you see, the link will be in the description of the site, also of the script that we will use in this site to claim unlimited money without doing anything, just by let the termux star in the background of our apps. Links will be in the description, also in the first comment of the video. Like see, this is our site. When you scroll down, we will find the claim every 5 minutes. Like you see, you will claim coins every 5 minutes. You can get 5 coins, 8 coins, as 18 coins also. This is a good site. Also, there is many way to earn more, but we use a script to claim faucet every 5 minutes, forever, unlimited. You will get you will pay every day. Like you see, this is our faucet. There is a daily bonus. There is a view ads. There is short links. Like you see. Also, there is offer set. Like see, it's over offer wall. There is more also. There is daily bonus. You can claim your daily bonus. It's simple. Claim 10 coins. Like see, I claim my 10 coins. It's the daily bonus. We return to faucet. Like you see, I have 0.001 dollars. It's only for 10 coins. You can get $1 daily. It's easy. Now we go to our script. Like I say, the link of the site of the script will be in the description. After downloading the script from the link in the description in the first comment of the video, and unzipping the script, we go to our termux. We put cd space storage, like that. We put ls. Now we press enter. Now we put cd space downloads, because it will be in download folder. We press enter. Now we press ls. Now we press cd Earnbitmoon v3, like that. It's the name of the folder. We press ls. Now we repeat Earnbitmoon v3, like that. We press ls. Now enter. We press php bot space bot.php, like that. We press enter. Now the bot started. We have a case here. We just copy this case. Now we do this simple short links to get our keys of this script. It's simple. Our link will be in the description, also in the first comment of the video. Just we do these short links to get key of this script, and I will show you how to get how to start the script. The link will be in the first comment of the video. Like you see, we bypass these short links. Just complete in few seconds. Sometimes it's hard to complete. You just wait. We get our key now. We put this key here. The key also will be in the first comment. We just wait. Password is true. The link of the key will be in the first comment also. I will put it in the first comment, like you see. Now the bot is started. Let's see what's asked for. We just return some redirection and it's return. Like you see, we just wait. Now we return. We just wait until it started immediately. Like see, our link will be in the description, also in the first comment of the video. See the first comment after watching video to understand well. See the first comment of the video to get links. Like you see, now it's simple. We must put user agent, also cookies. How it's work, it's simple. Like I say, it's simple. We will use this browser. Also, this link, the link will be in the description and in the first comment of the video. This browser, it contains user agent and cookies without using HTTP canary. We simply press in the corner, in the 3 point in the corner. We just go to setting. We scroll down. We copy our user agent. Very simple. We return to our termux. We put our user agent like that. It asks for cookies. We return. We just go to 3 coin, 3 point in the corner. We press modify cookies. We select all cookies. No HTTP canary needed. We return to cookies. We put our cookies like that. Now we must put our solve media. The solve media, the link of the solve media will be in the description also. You can download directly without doing anything. Now we put our solve media. The link will be in the description, also on the first comment. Now the script is started, like you see. Now we'll start claiming. Like you see, this is my account, like I told you. I do one faucet. We wait. It will start soon. Start claiming without stop, unlimited. Like you see. We just wait. Like you see, the script is starting claiming. See you another video. Subscribe to the channel and share the video. See you another video.